Are all the Arabs same genetically? Arabic people occupy a large territory stretching from Iraq to Morocco. However, genetically, Arabs are like Latin Americans, where their identity is mainly shared culturally and not genetically. While there is a common component of Natufian hunter-gatherers present in all Arabs, there are also vast differences. Starting with Iraq, Iraqi Arabs are closer genetically to Iranians than they are to Moroccans, and their ancestry can be described as intermediate between Iranian and Levantine Arab, as they have the highest Zagrassian farmer ancestry out of all Arabs due to proximity to Iran. Speaking of Levantines, that's another genetic pocket of the Arab world. Levantines, comprised of Syrians, Jordanians, Lebanese, and Palestinians, genetically resemble previous non-Arab but Semitic Levantine civilizations such as Phoenicians, Canaanites, and etc., albeit with some clear additional Arabic infusion into the genome as well. Levantines have a higher Anatolian farmer ancestry than other Arabs. The Arabs of the Arabian Peninsula are historically considered to be the origin of Arabs, and the genetics prove that, as they have the highest percentage of Natufian ancestry and lower percentage of any other input, Yemenis peak at 70% Natufian ancestry. The only outlier in the region are Omanis, who are genetically closer to Iraqi and Levantine Arabs, perhaps due to their extensive sea trade with Iran. Egyptians, similar to Levantines, resemble ancient Egyptians closer than they do historic Arabs out of the Arabian Peninsula, albeit with a noticeable Arabic genetic input that the non-Muslim Copts of Egypt do not reflect. Sudanese Arabs are characterized by a mixture of original Arabic tribes from the peninsula, mixed with local East African pastoralists and sub-Saharan Africans, with the Arabic admixture decreasing the further south you go. Finally, the Maghreb, as covered earlier genetically, has minimal Arabic influence, and majority of its ancestry comes from pre-Arabic Berbers, who were mainly of mixed North African farmer and early European farmer ancestry. So now, you won't have to wonder,